What's up guys, and welcome to a video about how to organize your Mac, your files, your folders, your directories, your subdirectories and your repositories. So without further ado, let's start the video. So on my desktop, as you can see, there are a couple of folders, also known as directories. My hard drive is here. This file for Ubuntu, when I use VirtualBox, is here. Let me go to my terminal and show you what I do. Navigate to the files, ls cd.desktop ls-l. All the files, subfiles, subdirectories and directories are on the desktop for when I use or when I make the tutorials for programming. Then I know I can quickly navigate to my desktop instead of having to navigate through folders and files and whatever just to get to these folders. It's a quick way. Okay, let me exit terminal. And then I can now go into Finder. I always like to have all my favorites here, so most of them are in there in terms of the downloads, the library, the documents, the music, the movies, the pictures, the home directory, the hard drive, Microsoft Office as well. These are the devices, these are the tags, yellow, green, blue. So, okay, let's go to the documents now. Click there, click this, have it all in a line, go here, right click that, or double finger trackpad, depending on if you're using a mouse or a trackpad. So, and add tag red. So when I click here, I now have a QuickTime shortcut. So let me get out of Finder, go back into Finder, and come here. There you go. I can also get rid of this tag if I wanted to. So when I go back to the documents, go back to here, computer science second year, there is no tag. I also have folders, important folders with all my work in them. So then I know when I go into a folder, it has subdirectories. When I go into a directory, it has subdirectories. I can look into those. I know all my work is there rather than having like 50,000 files in one folder and then you're lost and confused and you have to do this, arrange into kind, and then look through them one by one, slowly by slowly. I mean, this is a good way of looking at it. Your documents, your folders, your images, your PDF documents, and other zips or whatever. So let me go back to name. Let me do this, let me do that. Everything's organized. That's how you stay organized. I mean, you can have your applications here rather than having to navigate all the way. So if I open them in Finder, I could have just done Command and T, that opens a new tab up. Click Applications. See how long it's taking me to navigate. These are the shortcuts that you should be using. So applications are here. There you go. Open this up in Finder. Sometimes using a shortcut is a fast and effective way to get to your path rather than having to navigate from one place to another. You know, builds up cache, takes time. And that's how you stay organized with folders that you use on a regular basis. Like all the folders on my desktop I use on a regular basis. Make sure you also have a backup of everything, because if you lose stuff and if you don't have it backed up, you have to start from scratch all over again. I have this important folder called Computer Science second year backed up on Google Drive and a hard drive on a USB in case I lose it. If I lose it, it's over. I also have the whole home directory backed up. Most of it is backed up on Time Machine, on another computer, not on this computer. I have a couple of computers because I am a programmer. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.